Hey everyone, this is Coach Julio and I hope you're well. I'm going to show you an awesome upper body combo. It's going to be a T push-up followed by diamond or triangle push-ups. I'm going to jump right into it. I'm going to see if Sing will allow me. So a T push-up, I assume, this is not going to be easy, but I'll do my best. So I'm down, I'm up, I roll over. Notice my feet are not stacked, they just roll over. And then I can support my body weight in that position. And then I go the other way. That's part one. Thank you for paying attention, Sing. And then we do a diamond or a triangle push-up underneath your sternum. It could be big, it could be small, you choose. And this part can also be done kneeling. I go down and up, close enough where you can smell the floor. So you would do that alternating, say 3 rounds. Let's do 10 diamond push-ups and 5 T push-ups. What does a T push-up equal? 1. For every turn you do a push-up, and that's 1. Let me know if you have any questions. Reach out and enjoy the exercise.